Hello and welcome to Certain Media DIY secret number 22, how to make an EPK. And right now I'm on KV the Writer's website. She's an artist from St. Louis that's really jumping off right now. It's really dope. Check her out if you haven't. We're going to use her as an example. If you want to present a polished look online and give yourself a better chance at getting booked, getting licensing deals, or really any opportunity that might pay you for what you do, you need an electronic press kit, or EPK. We suggest having the EPK be part of your standalone website. Make a specific page to direct people to as your EPK. These are just some of the essentials to the EPK. Your music is the most important piece of the equation. You can see that she has her music albums here up front. If you want to listen, you can go to stream all. Your EPK should have music tied to it in every piece of the presentation. A link, an embed, or a video single for your latest project should be the first thing to greet anyone looking through your EPK. So you can see these are her latest stuff. Here's another video. A video's king. It's great that she has a video playing in the background automatically when you come in, because that will grab people's attention. Along with your music, you want a stimulating and provocative image to greet people when they come to your EPK. You can set this as your background image on the first page with your music, or you can put a link to a gallery of high-resolution photos on the front page and keep that page very simple and clean so that your music is the most important feature on the front page. You can see Katie has a great photo right here. Once someone has heard your music and seen an image of you, if they want to book you, they'll need some more information to help them promote you. This is where a good biography comes in, and then you go to her about page for that. If you need help with how to write your bio, you can read our guide on how to write great copy, or you can look at the bios from some of your own favorite bands. Again, video is king when it comes to shareable content. It's visually stimulating, it contains sounds and sights, it's usually entertaining. When making your EPK, only post your strongest videos though. The main type of videos you should have are performance videos. Something like this. This is a photo, looks like the Instagram. Typically, anyone who is looking at an EPK is thinking about booking that artist for a live show. So they'll want to see how that artist will look performing on their stage. So her video link takes you to her YouTube. If you're new to the game, you may not have much press. In that case, ask someone you know who has some sort of credibility in your local music industry to listen to your music and give you a quotable review. If you've been in the game for a little while or a long while, hopefully you've collected some stories by music journalists that have covered you. So we'll go to news on KVs. Include the most noteworthy quotes and notations from each article. We don't suggest more than 4 at a time. On her page, you have pretty much every link maybe that she's had. Put a link to the full article beneath the quotation. She's putting the headline here, which I don't argue with, but it'd be nice to get a quote from some of these articles and know what's going on in there. If you have a ton of coverage about your music, or if you do much more than music, you want to have a page of links to that coverage. And I think that's what she's doing here, because it's like a little bit separated out. But then you can see the logos of places that she's been covered. For instance, many musicians are also staunch social justice activists. Tell that story if it fits you. Finally, but just as important as number 1, is your contact info, or contact information for your management and booking personnel. So if we want to book KV, at the very least she's asking for your email address. It's not apparent where you go to book her. I'm assuming she just wants you to message her on social media. She doesn't have her contact info or management contact info right here, which I would suggest as a manager myself. But if someone's interested enough in your music to check out your EPK, they'll likely want to contact you. We think it's a good idea to have basic contact info on every section of your EPK, no more than your email, but just so that someone looking at the EPK can immediately reach out from any section. However, you should have one section that has your or your manager/booking agent's name, phone number, email, website, artist Facebook page, artist Twitter page, and any other social media pages you have. Her social media is all at the top here, so it's easier than just having a page. She just has those as tabs or hyperlinks, but that's it. That's how to make an EPK. You need to get some photos of yourself. We definitely suggest high resolution photos, but other than that, we're gonna get into Certain Media DIY musician secret number 23, how to write great copy, up next.